Hello friends. Now in this topic, in this video, we are going to discuss the lesson Environment of the 10th standard CBSE NCERT textbook. Lesson number 15. Before this, we have started this lesson and we have completed half of the lesson. In the first video, we have seen the components of the environment or the components of the ecosystem, that is the biotic and the abiotic and their interrelationship. In the next video, we have seen the food chain and the food web. How do they interact? What is good? How the diversity can be better, or the healthy ecosystem requires the longer food chain. Now in this topic, we are going to discuss the environmental issue. First, one of them is the ozone layer depletion. Now you all know that ozone is the O3. Molecule of ozone, that is O3. You know that oxygen is very important, but we require the oxygen in the form of molecule, and that O2 is the molecule. So molecular oxygen O2 is required, necessary for the breathing purpose. It is necessary for the respiration. But if this O2 is broken down into O, that is harmful for us. Or if this O2 and O, they combine together to form O3, that is also not necessary for us. That is also harmful. But now here we are saying that ozone is very important. Ozone layer should not get depleted. So what is it ozone? Where is it present? On the earth's surface, where we live, where the living organisms live, where the environment is present, at that place oxygen is present, that is O2 is present. And O2 is only necessary here. But at the higher altitude, above the layer of the atmosphere, there is a layer of O3, and that is the ozone layer. And this ozone layer is very important because it helps or it protects the earth from the ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. From the sun, whatever the rays are coming, that rays contain the UV rays, that is the ultraviolet rays. And these ultraviolet rays are very harmful for the human being. They are very harmful for the life. And hence this ozone layer just filters this UV rays, and hence they protect the earth from the ultraviolet radiations. But nowadays, because of our lifestyle, we have improved our lifestyle. We are using the ACs, we are using the refrigerator, and from that some harmful chemical is coming out, that is CFS, that is the chlorofluorocarbon. And this chlorofluorocarbon comes out, goes in the atmosphere, rises higher up, and it just starts depleting the ozone layer. And this ozone layer starts depleting, the holes are created in the ozone layer, it is becoming thinner and thinner. If the ozone layer is broken, the sun's ultraviolet radiations can directly come on the earth's surface, and they are very harmful because if they fall on the skin of the living organisms, they can create this skin cancer. They also break the oxygen molecule, they split the oxygen molecule, that is O2 is broken down into O plus O, and that is not necessary for us. We require O2, that is a molecular oxygen. So this ozone layer, it is very important. So as to create the awareness among the people about the ozone layer, what is the ozone layer, what are its important, what is harming it, how it should be protected, to create awareness about all these things, 16th September is observed as the Ozone Protection Day. So now let us take an oath to protect the ozone. For that, just reduce the use of the AC or the refrigerator. Wherever possible, whenever possible, just off the AC, so that the chlorofluorocarbon getting added in the environment can be reduced, because it is depleting the ozone. So here we have studied what is the ozone layer, how is it important, and how to protect that ozone layer. Now the next and the last point of this lesson is the waste management. Whatever the waste is coming in the environment, that is very harmful. What should be done? Should we not create the waste? Are we creating the waste purposely? No. We are not creating the waste purposely, but our lifestyle is changed. Our lifestyle is improved. We have some attitude, and our attitude and the lifestyle is creating more and more waste, and this waste is just getting collected in the environment, and which is very harmful. So this waste should be reduced. For example, the visitors or wherever we go for some tours, we just take the food packets, we eat the food, and the wrappers and the empty packets are just thrown. And these empty packets, they are in such a way that they cannot be burnt because they create pollution. They cannot be dumped into the ground because they are not degradable. As they are not degradable, they will remain as it is, so it is very harmful. So one of the major thing that is harmful to the environment, that is the packaging system. This packaging system should be changed. And the next thing is, we are using the teacups. Whatever teacups we use in the train or in the traveling, they are just non-degradable. As they are non-degradable, it is going collecting on the earth's surface. So what can be done? We can use the cups made up of clay. But because of the lots of population and the demand, lots of cups are required, and if we start using the cups of clay, another problem can arise, and that is the soil erosion. The fertile top layer of the soil can be utilized in such a way, so that is also not possible. So instead we can use the paper cups. Now whatever the waste, whatever the garbage is coming from the houses, that can be decomposed or disposed in different ways. We can separate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. The biodegradable can be just dumped into the soil, put water, and after many years you will find that there will be the fertile layer of the soil, so it can be decomposed in this way. So it's the duty of each and every citizen to just reduce the waste. Waste management is not the topic only for the government, only for the municipalities. It's the topic, or it's the personal issue. So you all should try to reduce the waste, then only the waste can be managed. So here we have completed the topic of the ozone layer and also the waste management, that is the garbage management. So here we have completed the topic environment, lesson number 15 from the NCERT book 10th standard CBSE. So here we have completed the lesson. I hope you all have understood the lesson. How was the video? Just comment in the comment box. If you have not subscribed the channel, just like and subscribe so that you can get the further information in simple and easy language. Okay.